Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and make a product video with Gemini. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, so let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Gemini application if you have not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded, what you want to do is go ahead and open up the App Store on your mobile phone, open up the App Store, search for Gemini, find the application and install it. So after installing and opening it up, this is going to be the home page that you're greeted by, from where you can get started with inputting prompts. But keep in mind that before you can start using Gemini, you need to go ahead and log into your account, your Google account. So if you do not already have one, you can create one, but once you're logged in, now we can get started with producing product video. So making a product video with Gemini is very easy. You can use your product photos and text prompts to generate or edit video clips, and with Google Gemini or Google Vids, you can build professional promotional material without traditional cameras or actors. So you can click the plus button right here. This is going to open up this prompt from where you can get started uploading images that you want to use for your product video, and you have the image section as well that's going to create and edit images. But as you can see, I do not have the premium option for videos, because for videos and creating videos you need to have the premium plan on Gemini. So keep that in mind, you need to go ahead and upgrade your premium plan, and once you've done so, you're going to see the video section right here that's going to enable you to start creating videos, and you can go ahead and input your prompts there. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care and bye.